is it violet or violet? Correct it yourself. Hey my lovely creatures, how are you all doing? I hope everybody's keeping safe. If you're new here or you're passing by or somehow you come across this video, my humble self is Rosie's Club. So on today's video I'm going to do a little bit unboxing. You know, as most of you know that 2 weeks ago I traveled to England, and while I was there, you know, I did a little bit of walking around, going from one shop to another, and I went to booth, you know, looking around. I came across something that I never thought I would see. You know, I was actually thinking that this brand particularly, they are majorly on clothing, bags and shoes, but I was surprised to see the toiletries, and which I couldn't resist. I was like, no, I must go for it. As you can see from the thumbnail, you can tell about the product. So it's my first time of seeing it. I've never seen this. I know the brand very well, but I never knew that they're into toiletries. So I said, no, I must try it, and I must, you know, bring it to you. But before I use it, I'm going to first of all open it so we can see what is inside. So this is the box. Actually, I went for the box because it's something that when you are traveling, you can, you know, comfortably use it for your toiletries, pack your, you know, soap, toothbrush, you know, whatever you want to use in the bathroom, so you can easily put them here. So I went for the box, and to be quite honest with you, it's not that expensive, because when I saw it, it was on promo. I was like, oh, so good. So things are inside. I don't know what's inside, so that is why that is why I said I'm unboxing it. So I'm going to do it with it together. Let's see what's inside. All right. In addition to this, when I saw this, I got this as well. And this one, they are all the same brand, and I saw a few things that I saw that, okay, I might need it, so I picked them up. So but first of all, we are going to open this and see what's inside. All right, although they wrote what's inside here, but I've never seen it, so I don't know what they look like. And you know, they said it's okay, they wrote it here. They say it's 200 ml, one 150 ml, 150 ml. You know, they didn't really state what that is. Okay, raspberry and orange blossom body wash, raspberry and orange blossom body spray, no, and what else? Raspberry and orange blossom body lotion. So that is what they said that is here. So we are going to open it and see what it looks like. All right. So it looks so good. As you can see, is from here is Ted Baker. I know it's an English, I think it's an English brand, and I'm sure most of you know about Ted Baker. So this is it. I saw it, I was like, no, I can't leave this box, and it's here as well. So I'm going to open it, and when you look at the hand here, where they create their name as well. So here we go. This is how they put it. Let's see. And they said this is Ted Baker moisture. Okay, this is mask. So as they are here, I'm going to use everything here, and when I'm using it, I will, you know, try as much as possible to bring it to you. Actually, I'm going to use it to do a shower routine, so as I'm using it, I will be explaining to you all how it works. So this is actually a face mask, and this is this. I don't know what is inside here. So this is okay, this is the raspberry and orange blossom. This is body lotion. And we go for this. This is a raspberry and orange blossom body spray, and is 150 ml. This it actually goes with my nails. Can't it? It's so beautiful. And this is a raspberry and orange blossom body wash. This. So So apparently that is what is in the box. As you can see, it's so empty, so I'm going to keep it so well that each time I'm traveling I'm going to put my toiletries here. So can't you see that it's beautiful? I actually got the product because of this box, although they have single one, but I say no, let me go for this box so that if I'm traveling or something, you know, for little vacation or whatever, wherever I'm going, I can put my toiletries. It's so handy, you know. So what's inside is actually these 4 things: the face mask, the body lotion, the body spray, and the body wash. So in addition to this, in the box they didn't mention anything like oil and scrub. So what I did was I went for the scrub. So this is the oil. They call it bath and shower oil, meaning that you can use it when you want to take your bath, when you want to soak yourself, or when you want to take your shower. In any way you want to use it, this is suitable for both of them. And this one, they don't have orange, they don't have raspberry and orange blossom on the body scrub. So what I went for, they have, you know, different fragrance. So what I did, I went for this one. It's called violet and bergamot sugar scrub. Is it violet or violet? Correct it yourself. So I'm going to use them exactly the way they are. The sets, use everything, and which is very good. You know, they said when you are using a product, it's better you use the set or use 2 to 3 products, you know, in addition to what you are doing. So I'm going to use it the way they are. I will call this one a post shower routine because I love Ted Baker. They are so good. They are, you know, if you know Ted Baker, you will know what I'm talking about. So when I came across their skincare product, I couldn't resist it. I was like I must, you know, get it, let me try it. And when I smelled the sample they had there, it smelled so good. So I'm going to use it to do shower routine, and let me see how it feels on my body. Yes, one more thing I got there, when I went to the booth, I saw this. You know, you all know, if you have watched any of my shower routine, which the link of the playlist is up there, you know, you can just check it out. I have some other brush I use. I use the brush, but I found out that one of them is very hard on my skin. It's kind of thick, so I now went for the pink one. If you watch any of my shower routine, you will see it there. So while I was in a booth, you know, walking around, I came across this and I couldn't you know, take my eyes off it because yeah, it's very soft. You can easily use it at your back. So I got this one, and this one is common. You can actually get it anywhere, so it's for exfoliation. So I'm going to use this to exfoliate. So this is what I got there. I love it. I love Ted Baker. When I saw this one, I was like, okay, I will go for it. I think I got it £29, you know, the set and the box, you know. That is why I said that it's not that expensive. I bought it £29. The £29 comprises this one, the 3 product that is inside the box, and the face mask. So, and I can't remember, to be quite honest, I can't remember how much I got this one and the oil, but they are not expensive. They are kind of on promo as at the time I went there. So if you're UK and you want to get it, maybe you can check it out, you know, who knows, and try it out, and let's see how you feel about it. So I'm going to end this video here. How do you all find this video? Do you think that Ted Baker product is something that you can try? If you have tried it before, do let me know at the comment section. I am going to try it and I will come back and tell you all how it feels. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it interesting, just leave your comment at the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, why don't you consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, I do appreciate you all. For my newbies, you all are so amazing. Thank you for always supporting me. Take care for now, and I will catch you again in my next video. Don't forget, Roses Glam loves you all.
Shining 24/7, 'cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven.